Wait, do you smell that?
Smell what?
Something is burning. Look, there's a lot of smoke.
Oh no. The pan. I forgot about it.
The smoke is getting worse.
Turn off the stove.
Okay, I'm turning it off now.
Don't touch the pan. It looks dangerous.
I was going to add water.
No, don't do that. It can make it worse.
You're right. What should we do?
Open the windows and stay away from the fire.
Okay, I'm opening them. My heart is beating so fast. I'm really scared.
It's okay. Let's stay calm and think.
The smoke alarm might go off any second.
We should leave the kitchen.
Yes, we need to call emergency services. Hello, I need help. There is a small fire in my kitchen.
Okay, stay calm. Is the fire big or small?
It's small, but there is a lot of smoke.
I understand. Is anyone injured?
No, no one is injured, but we are scared.
All right. Are you inside the house right now?
Yes, but we are near the door.
Okay. If it's safe, please leave the house.
All right, we're going outside now.
Good. Do not try to put out the fire.
Okay, we won't.
Firefighters are on the way.
Thank you. We are waiting outside.
Please stay outside and keep a safe distance.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Help is coming.
Excuse me, I need some help. My train was canceled. I'm sorry about that. Which train were you supposed to take? The train to London, leaving at 3:30? Yes, I see. Unfortunately, that train has been canceled. Oh no. Do you know why? Yes, there is a technical problem on the line. I understand. What can I do now? You have a few options. You can take the next available train, or you can ask for a refund. Okay, when is the next train? The next train leaves at 6 o'clock this evening. That's quite late. Is there an earlier one? No, I'm afraid that's the earliest option today. All right, if I take the next train, do I need a new ticket? No, your ticket is still valid for the next train. Okay, that's good. What about my seat? Seats are not guaranteed, but you can sit anywhere that is free. I see. And if I want a refund? You can get a full refund because the train was canceled. All right, how do I request the refund? You can do it online or at the ticket office over there. Okay, one more question. Can I change my destination? Yes, but it depends on the ticket type. All right, I think I'll take the next train. Okay, please keep your ticket and check the departure board. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Hi, I live next door.
Oh, hi. What's going on?
I wanted to talk to you about the noise. It's a bit loud.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it too loud?
Yes, a little. It's quite late and I need to sleep.
I understand. We're having some friends over.
Yes, I noticed. I don't want to be rude, but the music is very loud.
I'm really sorry about that. I didn't realize.
That's okay. I just wanted to let you know.
Of course. We can turn the music down.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Thanks for telling me.
Also, could you please keep the noise low after 10?
Yes, of course. We'll be more careful.
Thank you. Sorry again for disturbing you.
No worries. Thanks for coming over politely.
All right. Have a good evening.
You too. Good night.
Hello. I'm calling because my package was stolen.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you explain what happened?
Yes. The package was marked as delivered, but when I came home, it was gone.
I see. Where was the package supposed to be delivered?
It was left in front of my apartment door.
All right. When did you receive the delivery notification?
I received it about 2 hours ago.
Okay. Did you check with your neighbors or the building manager?
Yes, I checked with everyone. No one has the package.
I understand. Unfortunately, it sounds like the package was stolen.
Yes, that's what I think too.
I'm very sorry about that. Can you please give me your order number?
Yes, it's 659284.
Thank you. Let me check your order.
Okay.
All right, I see your order here. Was the package expensive?
Yes, it was quite expensive.
I understand how frustrating this is.
Yes, I'm really upset. This is not the first time.
I'm sorry about that. We can open a theft report for you.
Okay, what does that mean?
We will investigate the delivery and contact the courier.
All right, will I get a refund?
Yes, after the investigation, we can issue a refund or send a replacement.
Okay, how long will it take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
All right, thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Again, I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Hello? I'm calling because I have a water problem at home.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
There's water leaking under the kitchen sink.
I see. Is the water leaking right now?
Yes, it is. There's water on the floor.
Okay, did you try to turn off the water?
Yes, I turned off the valve, but it's still leaking a little.
All right. Since when did this problem start?
It started this morning. At first it was small, but now it's getting worse.
I understand. Is the water clean or dirty?
It looks clean, but there's a lot of it.
Okay. Is there any damage to the cabinet or the floor?
Yes, the floor is wet, and I'm worried about damage.
That makes sense. Can you place a bucket under the sink for now?
Yes, I already did that.
Good. I can come today to check the pipe.
That would be great. Is it possible this afternoon?
Yes, I should be there this afternoon.
Thank you. How long will it take to fix?
It depends on the problem, but I will explain everything when I arrive.
Okay, thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Please keep the water turned off until I come.
All right, see you later.
See you later.
Hello, I need help with my car. It won't start.
Hello. Okay, tell me what happened.
I was driving and suddenly the car stopped.
I see. Where are you right now?
I'm on the side of the road near a gas station.
All right. Did you see any warning lights on the dashboard?
Yes, a red light came on before the car stopped.
Okay. Did you hear any strange noises?
Yes, there was a strange noise from the engine.
I understand. Is there any smoke?
Yes, a little smoke came out, so I stopped the car.
That was the right thing to do. Please don't try to drive it again.
Okay, is it dangerous?
Yes, it could be. It's better to stop and wait.
All right, what should I do now?
I will send a tow truck to your location.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, I will wait here.
Good. Please stay in a safe place and turn on your hazard lights.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Help is on the way.
Hello? Please help me. This is urgent.
Okay, please stay calm. What is the problem?
My father is not feeling well. He is very weak and in pain.
All right, is he conscious right now?
Yes, he's conscious, but he looks very tired.
I understand. How old is he?
He is 72 years old.
Okay, what kind of pain does he have?
He has pain in his chest and he feels dizzy.
All right, when did this start?
About 1 hour ago, it suddenly got worse.
Okay, did he fall or have an accident?
No, there was no accident.
Does he have any medical conditions?
Yes, he has high blood pressure.
All right, thank you for telling me. Please take a seat here with him.
Okay, is a doctor going to see him soon?
Yes, I'm calling a nurse right now.
Thank you. I'm really worried.
I understand. You did the right thing by coming here.
Can I stay with him?
Yes, you can stay with him for now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please wait here. Someone will come shortly.